What's up, guys? So today we're going to make a design for our new body shell of my ARRMA Notorious. So what I did, guys, is just I put some design. So I gonna finish here already. These two. So now I'm gonna make, so what I only need for this new body shell for the RC car is a masking tape, a scissor, a sharp cutting knife, and a ball pen. So it's a basic, guys. So this time I made this video to make some, just a little bit design for our ARRMA Notorious, because this is already damaged, so that would be in there for our ARRMA Notorious, the original body shell. Oh my god! No! And then I'm gonna make this one here, the original one. But before we do some painting, we put some, it's a little bit design for it. So I have, so I'm gonna make this one. So bear with me, guys. It's a simple masking tape here, and then I just only make some drawing like this. So that's it, guys. So I make a design, same with this one, and there's another one, so it could be like this. It's a very simple design, and then we're gonna cut this with my knife, the cutter. Just make very, so it's done for the cut, guys. So you're gonna peel this off slowly. See, see. See, perfect. So it's the same now, and then you have to press it back. Now we have design here. Design here. To cut, it's in here. So guys, nice. So this is it. So I do the paint now. So I only finish one of this button, so it fills up. The entire body of ARRMA Notorious It's not so bright, it's not so thick, but yeah, still good. So after this, it dries a little bit, you're gonna take off the design and then spray to a black color. So this is the result now for the second coating of the paint. As you can see,